everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick look at how to adjust the resolution of your RDP remote access session using a remote desktop client. Specifically, we will be using Microsoft Remote Desktop on Mac OS. To do so, click the Connect button on your virtual host and select Using a Remote Desktop Client. Download the RDP file and open it in the Remote Desktop client. Click the Edit icon. Select the Display tab, and from the drop-down menu, select a resolution. If none of these dimensions are what you're looking for, you can add a custom resolution. Let's make it a square. And there you have it. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Arcus Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, arcus-cloud.io/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@arcus-cloud.io. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.